really feasible to open, given the state of that bit over there that I'm pointing at, which is still open to the public. But they've done a patch amend there as well. They're patching up and mending it, which does mean all this can be reopened, which is really good. And they've filled in the gaps that were here last week with cement. So yeah, it's all looking very close to being completed, which is really good. Right, here comes a bit more drizzle, so you can get around here to the old skate park, but can't get any further along, so let's just go as far as you can go, see how things are looking. Swifts screaming above. A few more of those in today. So I'm not really going to see much from this end, but yeah, it's a Saturday, so it's good to see they're working. Gosh, this crack here in the skate park has widened since last time I was here. Slightly disconcerting. It's as far as I can get now. But, so the works compound is still here, but you can just walk straight through the middle of it now because they've opened the route up going through the middle. So they've added railing now to the side of the slipway and the edge of the esplanade as you go along. Not quite sure why they've filled this in with concrete here, or what these markings signify. Good to see it back in use though, lots of people walking up and down. Being a bit of a cliff fall here. But just along here you've got the Sea Hut, which just the other side of Wheelers Bay. So do go and visit the Sea Hut if you come along here. Just coming up to the chalets at Wheelers Bay. What's it called? Ventnor Holiday Villas, I think. So yeah, do come along here. You can either park in Eastern Esplanade car park, where we've just come through, or you can use the free parking up at Wheelers Bay. Just go down Wheelers Bay Road, and there's a reasonably large area of parking there, which like I say, is not pay and display, it's a free parking. It's mainly for local residents, to be honest, but there's usually spaces available till it gets really busy at the height of summer. Just around the corner here is the Seapot Cafe. It is open over there, the Seapot, so lovely spot just to sit. They do lovely food in there as well. It's only a little tea room, but they do nice sandwiches and various other types of food, which is well worth stopping off at. And then you can just carry on along the esplanade, which is much the same as this. Nice level surface. Really easy walk all the way along to Monk's Bay. Must be 1.5 kilometres, 2 kilometre walk. Then you could turn around and walk back again to Ventnor Bay, heading west back the way I've just come. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe if you've not already done so. Press the like button and read the description you want to support the channel, then there's a buy me a coffee link in the description to the video, and I always appreciate that support. But otherwise, have a lovely rest of your day.